Alright. So all my past videos have been really weird lately, and maybe they're totally dark. I know. So I'm gonna make a nice, well, not nice, but a video of me singing. Alright, doing that. I gotta pick up these lyrics. I'm gonna be singing New Divide, and now my audio sucks, but I'm gonna have to live with it. Alright, there we go. Alright, just gonna put a little bit on. I remember that time when I was all around me. I remember each time you turned again to hear. Like a sunshine, and faith that time you found me. Your voice was all I heard. I get what I deserve. So give me reason to pull me up. You won't face my feet. Let the stories cut the distance in you. Give me reason to be whole. To make the space between. Let it go as the roots to prove that love the closest to the right. There was nothing inside the moment left between me. There was burning heart and every fire smile. On the ground to see where we were standing. Your voice was all I heard. I guess maybe it's you. So give me reason to pull me who has this memory. Let the fire pass the distance in you. Across this sleepy world. In every laugh, in every laugh, in every trace that you deny, in each regret, in each regret, one mistake too great to rise. And your voice was all I heard, but I get what I deserve. So give me reason to feel the who else is going to be? Let the floods come, the distance to you. To be able to feel this fall, to make the face to feel. Let it go, so to reach the truth that night across the sea the light.